May 13th, 2025, Brownsville, Texas. What began as a simple traffic stop exploded into gunfire, chaos, and a desperate manhunt. A suspect opens fire on a Texas trooper, crashes his vehicle, and vanishes into a neighborhood. For the next 90 minutes, Border Patrol, Texas DPS, and Brownsville Police close in, until a final standoff changes everything. This is the real footage, captured on body-worn cameras, released in the name of transparency and accountability.
What do you say about 20?
He took off on foot.
He took off on foot?
They made contact in the alleyway.
Let me see your fucking hands! Put your fucking hands out, I'll shoot you! Put your fucking hands up! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Let me see your hands! Drop the gun! Crawl to me! Crawl to me! Crawl! Crawl! Stand back! Stand back! Crawl to me! Crawl to me! His gun is on the other side. Crossfire! Get the gun, he's right behind him. He's been shot. I need to get him. Hey! Medic, give me a medic. Hey, he's been shot. I got.
Hey, put him down.
Hey, put him down here.
How many ports side is going to be another?
Fuck. Hey, dude, I took.
You took shots.
I took shots. All right.
You okay?
All right, I'm good. I'm good. I got my suit. I got him right.
Okay. You're good. Hey, you stay with us.
All right. He jumped the fence from over there this way.
Yes, we're good. Hey.
Oh, he empty. Put it, we need to take his handcuffs off. We need to put an occlusive on him.
The recovery position.
Yeah, he's fine. I think he went through.
Put him on the recovery position.
Right here on the arm, and then on his.
Yeah, he went right through. All right, turn him over, brother. Turn over, put him in the recovery position. I know, brother. All right, come here. Oh, that's good. I know, brother. Just stand by.
Yeah.
Just,
I love
nah.
it.
Just understand me. Yeah, it's
I
okay.
respect soldiers here.
Bro, we told you to drop the gun, brother.
I want to be a soldier, but
All right.
don't give me a chance to be a
All
soldier.
right, that's fine. No. Don't just relax.
I'm sorry. You're good.
Yeah, you're good.
I'm sorry, sir. But I just want to let you know, like,
Yeah, I guess for now. I mean, it's in the hip. We're good. We're good.
Well,
We don't want to pack, but yeah, go ahead and put it.
fuck it. No, like we're in the thoracic box. Put a seal
We're
on
good.
it.
Let's put a seal.
Just in case.
I know, brother.
We can't pack this. We can't.
No, we're gonna pack it. I was gonna cover it. Thank you. That's it. Only pack the chest cavity. I mean, not the chest cavity.
Nope. Yeah. So
Good.
seal it.
Put it right in the center. Yeah, I'll wipe for that. All right, brother.
Yep. Let's go ahead and get this one.
I got another one.
Breathe.
I got one more. Yeah.
Single GSW. Lower left quadrant.
Stand by, brother.
You're good. Fight through it.
Hey, take him down. Make sure he's not shot anywhere else. Yeah, it went through.
Right, go way this way, buddy.
I can't, sir.
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right.
Like extend his foot.
Get his fucking shirt off.
Ah, sir.
Sir. Yeah, you're all right.
Sir. Ah. Y'all check down here yet?
No, not
Sir.
yet.
Ah.
Take him out and cover him.
No.
There's no.
Sir. Ah.
You're all right, brother.
Squeeze it out.
That's all right. He's breathing, so we're good.
Ah.
Check his legs.
Yeah.
Yep. Sir.
Nothing.
What else do you need? Any more patches?
Nah, we're good. It's just single through.
Lower left quadrant, it's sealed. Secondary blood sweeps, and then he needs to go.
He's good, brother. All right, well, stand by. How far's the ambulance?
Okay, sir.
All right, bro. You'll be good. What's your name?
Sir.
Okay. Yeah, right there. Grab one. He's not on the arm. Just wrap it.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me cut it. Wrap it. So yeah, just breathe normal, all right? Breathe normal, dude.
I want to be a soldier.
Yeah, just use a,
It's all right, brother. Just wrap it. We're
it
good.
doesn't stretch, so if he starts to swell, just use a pressure dressing it.
Hey,
Too bad, just cover it up.
hey, let him know. Hey, where he jumped? I don't know if there's another guy back there. So I saw him
They're
run,
going inside right now, they're checking it right
but he jumped from across the alley this way. So I don't know if there's more on that side.
now. You have one?
You have another one over here, boss? That's right there. Okay. You're gonna go. The ambulance coming right now.
That's it, sir.
I know. We're gonna try to get you out there, bro.
Sir, I'm not going to be a bad person, sir, but I know.
Bro.
I know, sir.
It's all good. It's all good, brother. You have any other pains?
Sir.
You know what day today is? What day is today?
Hey, you're pulse off? I mean, yeah, I got you. He's alert, he's verbal, he's
Yeah, he's alert.
soft.
Hey, brother, have you taken any drugs today? Are you sure? Nothing.
Nothing.
No marijuana, no opiate, no nothing. No uppers, nothing. Okay. All right.
Drank?
No, sir.
Nothing. All right.
I go die, sir. I go die.
No, brother. Your pulse is really good, brother. It's strong. Your pulse is strong. You're good. Yeah, this is good right here, brother.
98. We still got like 5 minutes to wait. Do we want to?
Yeah, we can do the whole thing.
Coming up behind you.